Welcome to this video on Unity and Teams presence monitoring, a powerful availability tool that displays a user's combined presence on both the BroadSoft and Microsoft Teams platforms. Teams presence monitoring enables a truly blended user experience, offering full visibility and dynamic presence monitoring. Unity Teams presence monitoring gives users full visibility of their colleagues within the contacts window. Users can visualize presence through dynamic presence icons, which shows monitored users as engaged if the party is on either a BroadSoft or Teams call. Additionally, users can see the combined BroadWorks and Microsoft Teams presence of monitored users from within the status column. Unity Teams presence monitoring will dynamically change with the availability of users. For example, when changing from available to be right back in Microsoft Teams, then users will see these presence changes reflected in the Contacts panel. To reach the settings for Unity Teams presence monitoring, start within your chosen Unity application and navigate to the Settings page as demonstrated. Once here, select the Settings option at the top right of the screen. Next, navigate to the Settings for Contact Display, where Teams integration should be displayed. The first step for accessing Teams presence monitoring is to ensure authorization has been completed to enable the integration. This will require saving a token. To begin the authorization process, simply click on the Authorize button. This will prompt you to sign into your Microsoft account associated with Microsoft Teams. Once you have completed the required sign-in steps, you will receive a notification that your authorization has been successful. Once received, you can return to the Settings page on the Unity application to see that it now indicates that the authorization token has been saved. The Settings page has 3 additional options for users to tweak. This includes determining which application will take priority when displaying presence, whether or not to always show users when they are offline in Teams, and finally, to decide which application will be used when performing a click to dial. To select which application takes priority, click on the drop-down menu provided to browse from all available options. If you choose to allow Microsoft Teams to take priority, then Unity will first consider Teams presence when displaying contacts, as shown in the box below. However, Unity will then consider BroadWorks presence and show that state if something needs to be displayed. For example, if a user is available in Teams but on Do Not Disturb in BroadWorks, then Do Not Disturb will be shown. If you choose to allow BroadWorks to take priority, then Unity will first consider BroadWorks status, as displayed in the box below. However, if no state is available, then the Teams presence will be considered. And finally, if you choose the recommended setting to show both, then Unity will display both the Teams and BroadWorks status of users, as shown in the box below. Next, users can choose whether or not to enable the setting to always show when offline in Teams. If this option is ticked, it will display the status of offline Teams users as offline in Teams. However, if you untick this box, it will only show the status of users who are available in Teams. The final option in Settings allows users to choose which application to use when performing a click to dial. Users can choose between using BroadWorks, Microsoft Teams, or using Microsoft Teams as a dialer, only when the contact they wish to dial is also online on Microsoft Teams. Once you have finished adjusting your settings, you are now able to take full advantage of the blended presence experience provided by Unity Teams presence monitoring. For more information on Unity for Teams and Unity Teams presence monitoring, full user guides and additional videos are available.